Hi everybody, I'm Austin. I'm from LianTronics, and I'm the sales guy in charge of the European market. Now it's welcome to see this video, and our company name is LianTronics, and this is our new product, METAGO. This is very professional for the meeting room used, and it's our new product. You can use your phone, your iPad to control this screen. So totally have a 4 signal input at the same time, and another 4 signal will stand by. This is you can if you want to know more information, please log in our website www.liantronics.com, and we not only doing this conference products, we also doing the outdoor fix, indoor fix, and rental products. We doing any kinds of LED screen in China. To be honest, we are one of the biggest in China. We are professional in this field. So welcome to our website. Thank you.